We begin by carefully tanning the raw skins, a process that takes weeks. Then, the hides are stretched.
The process begins on the specialized farm, where the young crocodiles are hatched and raised under carefully controlled conditions for optimal skin quality.
Keep them moving towards the gate. Got the straggler, they're almost through.
Feed preparation is critical, ensuring the saltwater crocodiles receive a high-protein diet for rapid, uniform growth.
Mature crocodiles are carefully moved by Caucasian female workers from the water to the processing facility, emphasizing safety and control.
That male near the edge looks ready to move. All right, I'll keep watch.
Initial processing involves meticulous cleaning and preparation of the raw skin before it enters the industrial tanning phase.
The raw hides are treated with salt in an initial preservation step, crucial for stabilizing the skin before tanning.
Hides are stacked and cured under controlled conditions before being moved to the tannery for chemical processing.
The raw hides are loaded into massive wooden tumbling drums, where they will spend days soaking in chemical and vegetable tanning agents. The tanning liquor, a mix of specialized chemicals, is added to the drums for the critical preservation and softening of the skin fibers.
After tanning, the hides are removed, excess moisture is pressed out, and they are prepared for thinning and shaving.
Precision shaving ensures the final leather is uniform in thickness, a crucial step for luxury goods manufacturing. The skins are then moved to large drying racks in temperature-controlled rooms.
You have to make sure it's completely flat and straight, otherwise it won't dry correctly.
Dyeing is performed to achieve the brilliant colors demanded by the fashion industry. often using a combination of manual and automated techniques.
It's ready. The consistency is perfect.
All right, I'll start the transfer process.
Specialized finishes, like the matte or glossy look, are achieved through hand application and machine polishing. Once finished, the hides undergo rigorous quality control to check for flaws, uniformity, and color consistency.
Only the highest grade leather proceeds to the cutting room for pattern marking. The leather is cut using heavy hydraulic presses and specialized dies for perfect, repeatable shapes. The newly cut leather pieces are sorted, counted, and prepared for the final assembly and stitching phase. Edge finishing is applied, a crucial step for durability and aesthetic quality, often done by hand.
Hats. In the final assembly workshop, master male artisans, East Asian, begin the painstaking work of stitching. Precision stitching is essential for both function and luxury aesthetics, often using thick thread and specific needle types.
The finished items undergo final structural assembly, including attaching linings, hardware, and embellishments.
Detailed inspection checks the alignment, stitching consistency, and hardware integrity of every finished product.
The final step involves carefully packaging the luxury items in branded materials, ready for the retail market. This